Hello everyone, I'm going to go through with you how do you apply a machining command to a hardware. So for example, I have this ball bearing drawer which is taken from the library item here. So we want to put some machining properties on these circles here. Okay, so just remember, to do a machining properties, it should be a face or an edge, but I recommend using a face. So for example, I'll say face, I say 3-point circle, 1, 2, 3, got one circle. Okay, I can choose this 1, 2, 3, another circle, and maybe one more here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so once I have the circle, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to say this part is visible, so I have 3 circles. Okay, I can right click to edit the circle. So you can see the radius is 3.63 because it could be the hardware isn't exact. Okay, so I just say 3 mm. Okay, because sometimes when we import the model of the DXF, you might not get the lines correct. So I say 3, and now say 3. Okay, how do you apply a machining command here? Go to workshop, my host, I can say equal geometry so that all 3 circles are selected. Okay, and I say the depth. So if I'm just doing a punch, it's just a 3 mm depth. And I always like to make it red so that I could see that the holes have been applied with a machining command. So you can see all 3 has a machining command. So next, I'm just going to mirror to the other side, so I can say equal geometry again, everything, enter. Go to my top view, say the ruler, edge center, down. So we have the holes on the other side. I'll say all parts visible. So now what happens when you apply a panel here? So now I'll create a panel. Okay, so I'll just create a panel that's this high. Okay, and I'm just going to mirror this panel to the other side. So if I do this, I can name this panel. So I'll name this side. Okay, I'll name this side. Okay, when I do a lay flat to the panels, so now I'll do a lay flat, automatically the ball holes will follow. So this is how you create a hardware in PYTHA.